everybody, we're back here working on the cheap Jeep, and today's video is I'm installing a inexpensive carpet. I brought it through was it Morris 4x4. It's a Seatz brand, S-E-A-T-Z, I believe it is. It's like 160 bucks, I guess. And so far I gotta say I'm pretty happy with this for the price, and the fitment isn't that bad either. Yeah, not bad. I mean, it's not perfect by any means, but it's still not bad at all either. Yeah, fitting right in. I'm pretty much, let me go on the other side and show you how we're installing it. Here we go. Yeah, it's not really a bad carpet for the money. I was thinking it was going to be total garbage. Because if you looked at all the other carpets, they were like $400 and something. They're all pre-cut and everything for you. No, this one wasn't. I have a soldering gun. The heating up thing going, just burning right through the carpet. And I've been using double-sided tape. The carpet kit came with this glue. And I just been putting some tape down underneath the carpet, spraying the back of the carpet and the floor with this glue right here, going all the way around. Then you got the steps here going up. Piece of tape, piece of tape, piece of tape, tape all up there, tape, tape, and then pretty much just yeah, spray more glue down and put it in. I still have to burn out the holes for right over here for the seats, as you can see. You just poke it with a screwdriver till you find it, and then you use the heat gun, it'll just go right through the carpet. I did that over here. And I did that for these two right here. Two studs. Granted, that has the seat extender in it on that side. So not too bad. I still have to do all the back. I just laid it all out in here, let it sit overnight, and pretty much let it settle in so it's easier to put in, because it was in this little tiny box right here when it got delivered. So yeah, next update will be when I get it all together. I actually, even if you've been following the series on this Jeep, I actually got a center console for this. It's out of a 2005 or 6, and this is a 2000, so it's a little bit different to install. But here it is, two pieces. It was originally black. I paid like 40 bucks, I believe, for this. Painted it tan. And yeah, there we go. All right, so let me get this going here. And I'll update as soon as I have this thing completed. All right, bye. All right, I'm back. This is what I'm using to burn out the carpet. Poked a couple holes with the screwdriver. Now that I got that in there, I just go like this. There we go. And that's pretty much it. Do this one right here. And that's it. So that's pretty much how you burn out the, well, I found is easier just burning out the holes with a soldering gun. It takes 2 seconds like this. And it's a nice neat job at the same time. All right, so I'll be back, bye. All right, we're making some progress here. We got the back section of the carpet in. The only piece that I had to cut on this entire carpet kit, well, I should say this is the first piece I had to cut, was just around here for the emergency brake, and then the console's going to go on top of it, so I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, not bad at all. It was very happy with this for the money. I mean, you can't complain on this. I had to take my front seat extender out over here for the driver's side, only because I would not have been able to get underneath these holes back here in order to put the bolts in that are going to be sitting back over here. So you'll see what I'm talking about when I put the extenders back in. And I got this in right here. I like it. It came out pretty good, I think. Okay, here we go. I got some bolts. These bolts were easy to get out, so I got that holding it in. These two, very easy to take out. I pulled out for the back seat. There's a bolt here. I went up over here. These came out no problem. Seat belt came out no problem, so that's all pretty good. This was a problem. I couldn't get this off right here. These bolts were going to snap. Unless I put a lot of heat to it or let it snap and drill them out. So you know what I did? I cut this out down here. Boom, put it in. So it's all glued in and taped in now. Looks pretty good. What I'm probably going to do is put a sheet metal screw in over here with a big washer. Just to keep something more than glue to hold the front down, since this can't do it over here. So when I gotta have to go home and grab my some sheet metal screws and washer. So when I come back, I'll come back tomorrow, finish this up, and yeah, and that's it. So far not too bad. All I have left is to do this side right here, the floor right here, and then I have a piece that goes on the back of this door. So let me get back at it, and that's it. Just a quick update. Alrighty, bye-bye. Alright, we're back. It's the next day here. Nice, hot and humid out here. We're in Connecticut, and I think it's like June 28th, 29th, something like that. But anyways, the carpet's all done. And I think it came out okay for the price, 160 bucks or something like that. I'll put the link, I'll do a screenshot of the exact product I bought here. And it should have the price on it. So I'll slip that in here. Okay, so now, yeah, not bad. I probably could have did a better job with the wrinkles, but it's not a show truck or anything, so I did what I could, in the time frame I had, what it came down to. I'm sure if I used a steam gun or something like that, I can really get this super smooth and perfect. If this was like a really nice Jeep and I was trying to restore it back to like 100% original or something like that, yeah, it definitely, this carpet's actually of decent enough quality where you could use it for something like that. But then again, I don't have a lot of experience in Jeep carpet either, so that's just my statement. Yeah. There we go. I might have cut too big on this, but the back seat will go in over there. You won't even see it. Yeah, pretty good. I'm happy with it. Yeah. I just used sheet metal screws or whatever these are. I used the spray that the can of spray glue that you seen earlier. I sprayed it on, put this piece on. It actually held it on pretty good, but you know, it probably won't last, so I just used some sheet metal screws. You can see some are Phillips head. Another one over here, that style. It's whatever I had laying around. So yeah, not bad. So let me just throw the seats in, the center console. And one thing, this is a 2000 Jeep TJ. So when it comes to throwing a center console, it pretty much goes right in, except for a, let me go on the other side, I can show you. Hey, what are you doing underneath there, puppy? I didn't realize he's there. Okay. Now when you're putting in like a 2005 or 6-ish with center console in, this is where the old 2000, I had a half console that ended here. And this is where that console bolted in. which doesn't match the new one, or the newer model one. And I got a good deal on the newer model console that I figured I couldn't pass up on it. So there was an existing hole right here. I put that bracket in. This was like an L bracket I used. It's made for doing shelvings and putting shelves on a wall. I just bent it to make it fit. And then this is where it'll mount on the newer style console over here. And the shifter boot doesn't work either. So here goes the 2 pieces of console. Now, if you look right here, that bracket that I put in there, that shelving bracket that I fabricated there to make it work, that's where it bolts on right here. On the older style, the 2000 style TJ, this piece right here was over here, up in the front, and would have bolted onto that factory bracket that's on mine, but it doesn't match up, doesn't even come close. So there was 2 choices: make the bracket like I did, or I could have made another bracket, glued it on in here, or put a put a bolt, nut and bolt right here, held it on like an L, and then went to the other bracket inside the car. It was probably easier to do what I did. So that's that. Then the next thing is, here goes the shifter bezel right there. And I bought one of these universal leather shift boots, made in Mexico. Okay, maybe it's not a universal. 03 to 06 shifter boot. So I guess that's when they changed the console in 03, maybe. I don't know. So now I got to get this boot, and I don't have the metal piece that goes underneath here. This is what I have. So what I'm going to try to do is rivet this to the sides. See how that goes. I got my rivet guns over here. So I'm going to give that a try, and if it don't work, then I'll just go buy the right one. And they're pretty pricey. You want to buy the shift boot and the bezel, you're looking at $100 on that, which is a little outrageous if you ask me. So anyways, let me get the interior in and we'll go from there. Alrighty, bye. Alright, we're finished finally. We're looking pretty good out here, I guess. Do a quick review. Don't laugh at my shifter boot. That's embarrassing, yeah. The old boot from the 2000 short console wouldn't work with this. So I got one of those $13 or something eBay boots. And I don't have the metal piece that goes underneath it. So I used the rivet gun, and that's, yeah, I'm no shoe cobbler or a leather worksman or whatever. Whatever. It is what it is. The only reason why I even detail on it right now is it shows authenticity when you go to do jobs like this. If you never did it before on this particular application, you see what you run into, and that's, I didn't expect it to look as bad as that. But I'll buy one. I'll find a new bezel, a new leather boot with the metal thing on it. And until now, that'll work. Plus I wrecked my shifter ball. Trying to get that shifter, the gear pattern, that little thing that comes out of there that you can get to the bolt behind the shift, underneath that to remove the shifter knob. Yeah, I don't see how the hell. That's a one-time use deal only, as far as I could tell. Because there's no way to put that back together, and there's really no way to pull it apart without damaging it. And I didn't have a little slot in mine or anything like that. It was just pressed in. So, and in order to get that leather boot on, you had to take the knob off. So that is what it is. But anyways, the carpet looks pretty good. Not bad. I really got to clean the back seat now. There we go. Oh, the center console right there. This has a this right here has a crack right down the center here, and It's all painted tan and everything, because this was black. And there we go, I forgot to push that down. Anyways, yeah, so it's all painted this color, and I threw this on for now until I decide what I'm going to do with the top of that, and we'll go from there. Everything looks pretty good here. Like I said, I really should clean the seat. There you go. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. It's really not a hard job to do. It's just that take me a couple days, only because I'm working on it late afternoon. By the time I'm able to get to it and finish it. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. Looks pretty good. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I threw some handles in too that I had. I forget how much those were. I bought them a while ago, probably like 3 or 4 months ago. I just finally remembered to put them on. Yeah, and that's it. That's a shame I'm going to put these old dirty black floor mats back in. But that's all I got for now. I'll have to order some when I order the, look for a bezel there. And a shift knob. And yeah, so that's it. Oh yeah. How's this for you? When I got here to my sister's house, that SHO that you see sitting out there, that was in the garage. So I shut the truck off at the end of the driveway so I could back that out. Fuel pump stopped. How's that for you? Just stopped working. I was able to start it with a can of starting fluid right here. So yeah, now I gotta go do the fuel pump. How's that for you? Holy something. Anyways, that's the end of this video right here. The Jeep's coming out pretty good. It's a long way from what it used to when I first got it back. December 28th, 2018, and today is what? It's June 29th, 28th, 27th, or 30th, something like that. I don't know. It's a Saturday, that's all I know. Last Saturday of the month of June 2019. So yeah, that's it. Alright guys, see you later. Next video will be of... I can't think of anything else to do to this. Anything other than this from now on is going to be like a lift or tires, exhaust, you know, stuff like that. So I don't foresee me doing anything else to it for a while. Alright, so we'll leave it at that. And if something comes up, we'll make some more videos on it. Alrighty, goodbye.